This time it is 4 wides. Bowling! The ramp shot doesn't work. And Shaheen Afridi has another.
Well, Renshaw can shake his head all he wants. That was a poor shot. Low percentage shot against someone like Shaheen Afridi, who's swinging the ball both ways. He's taken a gamble and paid the price. And once again, he got out like this the other night. Very difficult to trust the pace and the bounce of this particular wicket being a used wicket against a new ball. So a low percentage option, he pays the price. He departs for 1, and Australia now 16 for 3.
Oh, inside edge. It's been a fabulous over. Lots of swing, lots of craft from Shaheen Afridi.